Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove repeaters or elements in a repeater here in Wix. Okay, so as you can see here I have my sample repeater. Now you can go ahead and delete any elements right here. For example, these two at the bottom, if you want to, or this one and this one as well. Okay, now if you want to delete the whole repeater section, just click on it, make sure that it is highlighted, and the repeater title right here is visible. Okay, once that's done, just hit on delete on your keyboard and it's gone. Now going back to remove a specific element, for example, these two right here at the bottom, just click on it, make sure that the repeater title right here is visible. Now go ahead over to the right side, click on quick edit. Okay, click on it, and here in the right panel, as you can see, this is the first one, or the item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. If you just want to move it, like for example, we want to move it right here at the top, use this move tool. All right, now make it go next to item 1, like so. If you want to delete the 2 right here, just click on the 3 dots, delete, delete. Okay, if it doesn't shrink, if the section doesn't shrink, just use this resize tool. Okay, and there you have it. That's how you remove repeater here in Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.